to City of Booneville Police Department. And better turn my camera on here too. I'm in the Booneville Police Department. Told you I can't be anywhere I love because these people hate me so much around here. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna start with this. This is an ordinance of the City of Booneville, Mississippi, prohibiting the use of excessive noise and establishing penalties therefor. Whereas the City of Booneville, Mississippi finds that it is necessary for the public safety, welfare, and well-being that use of certain excessive noise be prohibited within the municipal limits of the City of Booneville. Now, therefore, it be it ordained by the Mayor and Board of Aldermen of the City of Booneville, Mississippi, that for purposes set forth here and above, the following provisions are enacted into law as follows. Section 1. No person or persons owning, employing, or having the care, custody, or possession of any musical instrument, radio set, television set, phonograph, Victrola, or other instrument, machine, or device for amplifying, producing, or reproducing sound shall operate, use, or permit to be operated, or use such instrument, machine, or device in such a manner as to disturb the peace and comfort of the neighboring inhabitants, or at any time with louder volume than is necessary for the convenient hearing of the persons who are in the room or chamber in which, or who are on the premises from which such instrument machine or device is operated, and who are voluntarily listening thereto. Section 2. The operation of any such instrument, machine, or device in such a manner as to be plainly audible on any adjacent or adjoining property shall be prima facie evidence of a violation of this section unless specifically permitted by ordinance or law or by agency. I have to turn this over. This ordinance shall take effect 1 month after the passage and set forth by law. The clerk is hereby authorized and directed to publish this ordinance as set forth by law, and to take all necessary steps to codify the language of the ordinance in this official code of ordinances of the City of Booneville, Mississippi. The foregoing ordinance, having been reduced to writing and considered section by section, was introduced by Alderman Michael, seconded by Alderman Barrett, and was adopted by the following vote, to wit: Alderman Barrett, yea; Alderman Boland, absent; Alderman Eaton, absent; Alderman Goddard, yea; Alderman Michael, yea. Whereupon the mayor declared the motion carried and the ordinance adopted this blank day of blank AD 1999. Wade Lambert, Mayor. Attest, City Clerk. Okay. It took them until 2024 to codify the language in this ordinance. That's 25 years. Well, 24 and some change years before they codified this language. But to me, it sounds pretty plain, as it says, to operate any such instrument or device in such a manner as to be plainly audible on any adjacent or adjoining property shall be prima facie evidence of a violation of this section. Now, I don't know what is so hard to understand about